Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Cipla Pharmaceuticals. Before the video, please like our video so that it can reach to other viewers who are looking for jobs. Please like it. Let us see complete details in this video. This is full-time job opportunity. We are hiring for operator production API. Designation is executive, senior executive, and job description is exposure in unit operations and unit process in API manufacturing, and diploma in chemical, full time 1 to 3 years of experience in relevant industries. Next role is officer production, senior executive. Graduation is BTech in 2 to 5 years of experience. And next role is team member QA. Designation is senior executive. Exposure in IPQA activities, process validation, cleaning validation, rinse and swab, sampling, BMR review and equipment qualification, change control, deviation. And education is BTech chemical, MSc organic in 2 to 5 years of experience of relevant industries. And next role is officer API engineering electrical, and designation is senior executive assistant manager. The job description is exposure of API process and utility equipment maintenance and troubleshooting, and strong knowledge of subscription equipment like DC set, transmitter, HT, LT panel, breakers. And education is BE electrical, full time 2 to 5 years of experience. And another role is officer API engineering mechanical, and designation is senior executive assistant manager. And job description is exposure of API process and utility equipments, deep understanding of utility operations and water system, and knowledge of HVAC mandate. And education is BE mechanical, full time 2 to 5 years of experience. And next another role is officer API engineering instrumentation, and designation is senior executive and assistant manager. And exposure of SCADA DCS system and process automation, and knowledge of CSV and PLC qualification validation. And BE instrumentation of full time 2 to 5 years of experience. So anyone can apply for this job. Please scan the QR code and apply. These are the details regarding job. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.